Hey there, Alexis Harrington from Galleher, here today to talk to you about the services we offer from our design studios. These studios are not retail stores. They are dedicated to helping design professionals and owners navigate the often complex world of flooring selection. What do we offer? Large displays, complimentary design assistance, technical advice, and an array of tools, including take-home samples and computer visualization. Our studios highlight the best flooring from the most reputable and sought-after manufacturers in the world, including our own in-house brands, Monarch, Plank, and Reward. You can make appointments or just drop by. Spend a few minutes to get inspired or take your time using our team and services to help design your project. It's a no-pressure environment. Our consultants are not commissioned. Our job is to simply help you find the right product for your project. Your flooring installer or retailer can then purchase from one of our many warehouses.
Hi, I'm Christian Munoz, and I am based out of the San Francisco studio. Every day and every client are a little bit different. Within an hour, I can go from working with a knowledgeable client on pinning down resealing floors for a commercial project to chatting with the homeowner who is replacing the hardwood floor in their home for the first time. And that's the beauty of our studio. We're designed to support both of these types of clients equally. Designers, contractors, property managers, and homeowners are all welcome, and their different goals and design challenges are what makes my job so much fun.
Today's flooring offerings have never been more varied and complex. Our design studios offer the opportunity to see colors, feel textures, and understand the benefits of different species, constructions, and technologies. As the largest flooring distributor west of the Mississippi, we have thousands of options to choose from. From unfinished solid wood that your flooring contractor can sand and finish on site, to pre-finished engineered hardwood, to rigid stone composite flooring, we have it all. It's our pleasure to help you find the right product for your design vision and budget. We invite you to visit our website at www.galleher.com to find a design studio near you.